नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् अनुग्रहाय लोकानाम् अवतीर्णाय विष्णवे क्लेश अपहाय कृष्णायाः पार्थसारथये नमः. Namaste everyone. So last class we stopped with this. जातुचित् चोरैः ह्रियमाणं कस्यचित् विप्रस्य गोधनं प्रत्याहारकः शास्त्रागारं प्रविशन् तत्र सभार्यम् एकासनस्थं ज्येष्ठं पश्यन् निवृत्तः अर्जुनः गवानयनानन्तरं यथासन्धं प्रायश्चित्तीयन् भ्रातृभिः कृच्छ्रेण विमुक्तो गृहात् प्रवव्राज. So with this we stopped. So after they all Pancha Pandavas married Draupadi, Narada came and gave a solution that each one of the Pandavas should spend an year with Draupadi to avoid the dispute or the Loka Apavadam. So all the five of them agreed to the agreement. But once Jatuchit Kadachit Arjuna, he wanted to save the Godhanam of Brahmin. So he wanted his weapons. So the weapons were kept in the room. So he accidentally enters the room where he sees Draupadi sharing the bed with his eldest brother. So according to the agreement, whoever doesn't follow this rule, niyamaha, niyama yaha niyamam na paripalayati, he has to go on exile for 12 years. That was the agreement accepted by all five of them. So now Arjuna, as with unknowingly did a mistake, that he saw Draupadi sitting in the same bed along with Yudhishthira. So he has to go on exile. So after he brought the Godhanam of the Brahmins, he goes on an exile. With this we stopped last class. Now प्रव्रजन् च सः गङ्गातीरे तीर्थम् अवगाहमानः भलात् स्वपदं नयन्त्या कामयमानया नागकन्यया उलूप्या सह तां रात्रिम् उषित्वा ततः जलचरात् अभयवरं लब्ध्वा पुनर्निवृत्तः नानादेशान् क्षेत्राणि च निषेवमाणः चित्रसेनस्य राज्ञः दुहितरं चित्राङ्गदां तत् आत्मज प्रत्यर्पण शुल्केन उपयमे. So now during the exile of Arjuna, what all he did, whom all he meant, that is what we are going to do in this class. So going on an exile and bathing in the holy water resort of the Ganges, Arjuna was dragged down forcibly to her own home by a Nagakanya, Naga damsel called Ulupi, who fell in love with him and lived with her that night, and from her got the boon of immunity from fear from any aquatic animal. And he came back and he also visited several countries and holy places. He married Chitrangada, the daughter of Chitrasena, agreeing to give her a son as the bride. Pratyarpana Shulkena, Atmaja Pratyarpana Shulkena, he married the daughter of Chitrasena. So this is the meaning of this line. So Pravrajan is that. So Arjuna left Indraprastha, then he was taking bath, Tirtham Ganga Dware Tirtham Avagahamanaha. So this Tirtham Avagahamanaha goes to Arjuna. So Pravrajanne, Arjunaha Pravrajanne, while wandering, Saha Arjunaha Ganga Dware ityukte, where the Ganga reaches the plains. So it flows from the Himalayas. So Gangayaha Bhumi Avatarana Dwaram. That is Ganga Dwaram, where the Ganges is seen in the plains. So Ganga Dware, Tirtham Avagahamanaha Saha Arjunaha. Tirtham is Jalam. Avagahamanaha is plunging or immersing or bathing in the Ganga Tiram, Ganga Tirtham, Ganga Jalam. Avagahamanaha Sanne Arjunaha. Balat Swapadam Nayantya कामयमानया नागकन्यया उलूप्या सह तां रात्रिम् उषित्वा. So saha Arjunah तां रात्रिम् उलूप्या सह उषित्वा. So that Arjuna spent that night along with Ulupi. So, what are the adjective for Arjuna? Pravrajanne, while wandering during the time of exile, Ganga Dware, at the plains of the Ganga, at the Ganges, Tirtham Avagahamanaha. He was plunging or immersing himself in the water of Ganges. That time, Balat, forcibly, Swapadam Nayantya Kamayamanaya Nagakanyaya. So that Nagakanya, her name is Ulupi. So what she did when Arjuna entered the Ganges, she forcibly took him to her own home, who she is Nagakanya Ulupi. Her name is Ulupi. And Kamayamanaya, who fell in love with Arjuna immediately. So Balat forcibly, Swapadam Nayantya, she forcibly took Arjuna to her place. So Nayantya, Kamayamanaya, Nagakanyaya, all these three words goes as an adjective for Ulupi. All are in Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So Ulupya saha, so spending the time with Ulupi, Tam Ratrim Ushitva. So he stayed there after spending the time with Ulupi. Tataha, from her, Jalacharat Abhayavaram Labdva. So Jalacharaha is aquatic animals. So Jalacharat Abhayavaram, from the Jalacharat is from the aquatic animals. Abhayavaram, na bhayam, abhayam. Abhayameva varaha tam abhayavaram. So he got a boon that he need not be scared of the aquatic animals. Labdva, after getting such a boon, punar nivrittaha, again he returned. Nana deshani kshetrani cha nishevamanaha. Then he started visiting different places and different states or countries, or nana deshani kshetrani, different places. Nishevamanaha Chitrasenasya Rajnyah Duhitaram Chitrangadam Tadatmaja Pratyarpana Shulkena Upayeme. So Nishevamanaha, so he, after spending the time with Ulupi, he goes to different places, then pursuing, Nishevamanaha is pursuing Chitrasenasya Rajnyah Duhitaram Chitrangadam Tad Atmaja Pratyarpana Shulkena Upayeme. See here, if we see the story of Mahabharatam, this Ulupi, she comes and says, Airavata Kule Jataha Kauravyo Nama Pannagaha. So this Ulupi is a daughter of a Pannaga, a snake, a serpent called Kauravyaha. So Arjuna spends that night with Ulupi. Then from her, he gets that varam, Jale Sarvatra, varam Ajayatvam, Jale Sarvatra Bharata, Jalasara Sadhyaha Jalacharaha Sarve Bhavishyanti na Samshayaha. So you will not be hurt. You need not have any fear towards the Jalacharaha, the aquatic animals. That is the boon he gets. Then Tasyam Iravantam Nama Putram Utpadayamasa. That is not mentioned by Lakshmana Suri. So he got a son through Ulupi by name Iravata. Okay, then from there, see, to understand this word, Tad Atmaja Pratyarpana Shulkena Upayeme. Upayeme is married. Arjuna married Chitrangada. Okay, who is this Chitrangada? He is the son of Chitrasena. But in the original, if you see, his name is Chitravahana. So, Rajnyaha Chitrasenasya Duhitaram Chitrangadam Upayeme. So Arjuna married the daughter of Chitrasena. Her name was Chitrangada. What is the condition for marrying her? See, after spending the time with Ulupi, he goes to this country which belongs to this Chitrasena. There, Arjuna sees this Chitrangada and he falls in love with her. So he went and asked the king to give his daughter in marriage to him. Arjuna wanted to marry him. For that, immediately the king puts a condition. He says, there was a king in my, there was a Raja in my race by name Prabhanjanaha. Prabhanjano nama asmin kule sambabuva. He did a penance praying Lord Shiva. Ishvaraha. So then when Ishvara was happy by the performance of the penance, Toshitaha Ishvaraha, Partha Devadeva Umapatihi Saha Tasmai Bhagavan Pradat Ekaikam Prasavam Kule. So this there was a king by name Prabhanjana who lived in the race of Chitrasena. So when he didn't have kids, so he did a penance worshipping Lord Shiva. That time Shiva appeared and gave a boon saying that in your avamsha, in your kula, only one son will be born for every generation. So all the others were blessed with the sons. Only me, the Chitrasena says these things to Arjuna. He says, only I am blessed with a daughter by name Chitrangada, so I treat my daughter as my own son. So what is the matter here? He says, as she is my only issue, whoever she marries, the son she gets through that man will be the Vamshavriddhi for me. So the condition to marry my daughter is only if you hand over your putra to me, then only I will give my daughter in marriage to you. So this was the condition that was presented or placed in front of Arjuna by Chitrasena. So that is the Tat Atmaja Pratyarpana Shulkena Upayeme. So on what condition he married Chitrangada, that he has to return. The condition of marriage is to give a son to Chitrasena. Chitrangada, sorry. So Tataha Jalacharat Abhayavaram Labdhva Punar Nirvrittaha Arjunaha Nana Deshane Kshetrani cha Nishevamanaha Chitrasenasya Rajnyaha Chitrasenasya Duhitaram Upayeme. So he married the daughter of Chitrasena. Her name was Chitrangada. What was the condition in marrying that girl? Tat Atmaja Pratyarpana Shulkaha. So Tat Atmajam, Pratyarpanam is return, Shulkam is present. Shulkam is also cost. Here we will use it as Upaharaha or present. So he married on that condition that after the marriage, when Arjuna and Chitrangada are blessed with a son, the Arjuna has to hand over that son to Chitrasena. That was the condition that was put forward by Chitrasena to Arjuna. So Tat Atmajam is Tasya Atmajaha, Tasya Pratyarpanameva Shulkaha. Shulkaha is present or a condition. What was the condition in marrying that Chitrangada? That he has to return the son, the Putraha, to Chitrasena. So Pravrajan Saha Arjunaha Pravrajan, here it is Shatru, Pravrajan ja, Sattva Sandhi you have, Ganga Dware, in the banks of Ganga, Tirtam Avagahamanaha Arjunaha, when Arjuna was taking a bath or he was immersing himself in the Ganges water, Balat is Balatkarena. See, without his knowledge, he was forcibly dragged to her place by Ulupi. Balat Swapadam ityukte Swasthanam ityartha. Swasthanam Nayantya Kamayamane Manaya Ulupya. Kamayamana is Kam Dhatu and it is in Shanach, it is in Tritiya Vibhakti. Same thing, Nayantya is in Shatru, it is in Tritiya Vibhakti. Nayantya, she was forcibly dragging him, and Kamayamanaya, who had fallen in love, who was attracted by the appearance of Arjuna, Nagakanyaya, by the Nagakanya, Nagasya Kanya, Nagakanyaya, Ulupya, Saha, Tam Ratrim, spending that night. Ushitva is Vasidatu, it is Twantam. So after spending that night with Ulupya Saha, Tataha, Tasmat Pradeshat, or Tataha from her, Jalacharat Abhayavaram Labdva. So he took a boon. Varaha is boon. What was the boon? Jalacharaha is Jale Charanti iti Jalacharaha. One who can move freely without any hurdle. That is the aquatic animals. One who can survive in water. So Jalacharaha, Tasmat Jalacharat Abhayavaram Labdva. So Na Bhayam Abhayam. abhayam eva varaha. So he need not have any fear towards the aquatic animals. That was the boon that was got by Arjuna from Ulupi. Labdva, after getting it, lab is the dhatu, twantam, punaha, again, nivrittaha, ni is the upasargam, vrit vartane, it is a nikta pratyayam, returned, nishevamanaha. Then further he pursued, started pursuing his journey. Nishevamanaha Arjunaha. It goes as an adjective for Arjuna. So ni save is the dhatu there, shanache. Nana deshane kshetrani cha nishevamanaha Arjuna. Rajnyaha Chitrasenasya. So Raja Chitrasena's Duhitaram daughter Chitrangadam Tat Atmaja Pratyarpana Shulkena Upayeme. So he married her on the condition that after the marriage, if when they are blessed with a son, Arjuna has to hand over the son to Chitrasena. That was the condition. So Tasya Atmajaha Tadatmajaha. Tasya Atmajasya Pratyarpanameva Shulkaha. Tasya Atmaja Pratyarpana Shulkaha. Tena Shulkena Upayeme. By that condition, on that condition, the condition of marriage is to give a son to Chitrasena. Okay. Tena Shulkena Upayeme. Upayeme is married. Upa is the Upasargam. Yamu Uparame, it is in lit Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Okay. So here you have this Pravrajan as Sattvasandhi. Then Jalacharatu you have Jashtvam. And Punaha Visargasya Repaha. Then Visargasya Sakaraha, then Shtutvam, then Shulkena Upayeme, you have Gunasandhi. Okay. Next. Tatra Taya Saha Samvatsaratrayam Viharan Tasyam Babruvahana Namanam Putram Utpadaya Masa. Tan Anugnyapya Samudre Snasyan Tatra Munishapena Grahatam Gataha Pancha Apsarasaha Mochayan Kramena Prabhasa Tirtham Prapya Tatra Sangadena Krishnena Saha Raivatagirim Praptaha Tad Bhaginyam Subhadrayam Manaha Babandha. So the whole episode is about Arjuna marrying different ladies and getting issues through them. Okay, so Tatra is Chitrangadasya, Chitrasenasya deshe. Tatra, Tasmin deshe, Taya saha, Chitrangadaya saha, Samvatsaratrayam. After spending 3 years, he got a son by name Babruvahanam. Babruvaha Putram Utpadaya Masa. So then after that, he took leave. So that was a condition to marry Chitrangada. They were blessed with the son. So Arjuna left Chitrangada and the son with Chitrasena, and he left that country, left that place. Tana Anugnyapya. So bidding farewell with them. Samudre Snasyan. So after taking leave of them, he went to take a bath in the sea. And there he relieved the 5 celestial damsels that had become crocodiles by the sage's curse. And gradually he reached Prabhasa Tirtham and accompanied by Krishna, and along with him went to the Raivataka mountain and had a liking towards his sister Subhadra. So this is the meaning of this sentence. So he left Chitrangada's place after Chitrangada was blessed with a son by name Babruvahanam. After spending 3 years in that place, then he was taking a bath in the Samudram. That time he relieved 5 apsaras from the 5 damsels from the curse of a Muni. Munishapena Grahatam Gataha Pancha Apsarasaha Mochayanne. Kramena, he went to a place called Prabhasa Tirtham. After reaching Prabhasa Tirtham, he meets Krishna there. Tatra Sangatena Krishnena Saha. He goes to a mountain called Raivatagiri. There he meets Subhadra and he expresses his liking towards Subhadra. So, sorry. Tatra Taya Saha Samvatsaratrayam Viharan Tasyam Babruvahana Namanam Putram Utpadaya Masa. So, Tatra Tasmin Stale Taya Saha, Taya Chitrangadaya Saha, samvatsaratrayam, samvatsaranam trayam, samvatsaratrayam, viharan, having spent or sporting with her for 3 years with the Chitrangada, tasyam Chitrangadayam, Babruvahana Namanam Putram Utpadaya Masa. So he begot or he got a son by name Babruvahana. So Tatra Tasmin Chitrasenasya Rajnyaha Chitrasenasya Rajye Taya Chitrangadaya Saha Samvatsarat Samvatsaranam Trayam, spending 3 years, after spending 3 years, Viharan, after spending or after sporting with her for 3 years, Tasyam Chitrangadayam, Babruvahana Namanam. So Babruvahana is the name of the son. Babruvahana iti nama yasya saha tam. Putram, it goes as an adjective for Putram. So Babruvahana Namanam Putram Utpadayamasa. So he got a son by name Babruvahana. So from whom? Tasyam Chitrangadayam. Then Tane Anugnyapya. So after saying Anugnyapya is to be allowed or permitted. Tane Anugnyapya Samudre Snasyan, while he was taking a bath in the Samudra, while Arjuna was taking a bath in the Samudra, Tatra Tasmin Samudre Munishapena Grahatam Gataha Pancha Apsarasaha Mochayan Munishapena Munehe Shapaha Munishapaha Tena Munishapena, by the curse of a sage, Grahatam Gataha Pancha Apsarasaha. So 5 Apsaras Striyaha, damsels, 5 damsels, they were turned into Grahatam, crocodiles, Jalacharaha, Bhutaha, Gataha, Pancha Apsarasaha, Tane, Mochayan. So releasing them, Munishapena Grahatam Gataha, Pancha Apsarasaha Mochayan, Kramena, gradually, Prabhasa Tirtham Prapya, after reaching the place called Prabhasa Tirtham Prapya, Tatra, Tasmin Prabhasa Tirthe, Krishnena Saha, Sangatena Krishnena Saha, along Krishna joined him in the Prabhasa Tirtham, Raivatagirim Praptaha. So Arjunaha reached the Raivatagiri, Tat Baginyam, Tasya Krishnasya Baginyam, Subhadrayam Manaha Babanda. So he had like Babanda is like tying. So he had a liking towards Krishna's sister Subhadra. So Tatra Tasmin Chitrasenasya Rajye Taya Chitrangadaya Saha Samvatsaratrayam, Samvatsaranam Trayam, 3 years, Viharan is spent or sporting. So Vi and Hridatu, it is in Shatru Pratyam. It goes as an adjective for Arjuna. Tasyam here goes to Chitrangadaya. Babruvahana Namanam, this goes as an adjective for Putram. Babruvahana iti nama yasya saha tam. Babruvahana Namanam Putram. Utpadaya Masa is having produced. So Ut is the Upasargam. Pad is the Dhatu. Lit Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. So Arjunaha Viharan Samvatsaratrayam Tatra Tayasaha Viharan Arjunaha Tasyam Chitrangadayam Babruvahana Namanam Putram Utpadaya Masa. Then Tane Anugnyapya. So Tane Anugnyapya, here this Tane goes to Chitrangada, her father and the son. Tane Anugnyapya. So taking leave from them. Anu Nya is the Dhatu there. It is in Lyap. So to be allowed by. So Tane Anugnyapya, taking leave from them, or having got an assent or permitted after getting adieu from them. Samudre Snasyan. So Arjuna was, the Snasyan goes as an adjective for Arjuna. It qualifies Arjuna. Snasyan is Shna Shoche. It is in Rit Lupam and Shatru Pratyam. Snasyan Tatra Tasmin Pradeshe Munishapena. Tatra Tasmin Samudre Tasmin Jale Munishapena Grahatam Gataha. by the curse of the sage, grahatam gataha, graha rupam svikritaha ityartha. Grahaha ityukte crocodile. So grahasya bhavaha grahata, grahatam gataha apsarasaha. This apsarasaha, it is a sakaranta strilingya. It is nityam bahuvachanam. Here it is in dvitiya vibhakti. Grahatam gataha pancha apsarasaha mochayanne, releasing them, muchu mochane shatru, and it is in nich. Kramena, gradually. I think I will repeat. Tan anugnyapya, taking leave from them. After taking leave from them, Samudre Arjunaha Snasyan, after taking a plunge in the Samudram, Tatra Tasmin Samudre Munishapena, by the curse of the Rishi, Grahatam Gataha qualifies Pancha Apsarasaha. So the 5 damsels who took or who turned into crocodile by the curse of the Muni sage, taha pancha apsarasaha mochayanne arjunaha. So releasing those 5 apsaras, 5 damsels from the sage, curse of the sage, mochayanne, kramena, gradually, Prabhasa Tirtham Prapya. Prabhasa is the name of the place. Prabhasaha iti Tirtham, Prabhasa Tirtham Prapya, after reaching. So pra up is the dhatu and it is in lep, after reaching Prabhasa Tirtham. Tatra tasmin Prabhasa Tirthe Krishnena Sangatena Krishnena Saha. Sangataha is one who was joined. Sangatena Krishnena Saha Raivata Girihi. Raivata is the name of the mountain. Raivataha iti Girihi Tam Raivata Girihim Praptaha Arjunaha. Praptaha qualifies Arjuna. Pra Ap, it is an Ikta Pratyayam. Tasya Krishnasya Bhaginyam. Tad Bhaginyam is Tasya Bhagini. Tasyam Bhaginyam. Tasya Krishnasya Bhaginyam Subhadrayam Manaha Babanda. Babanda is tied. So he had an attraction or he had a liking towards Subhadra. So Manaha Babanda. Manasa Kattina, we say in Tamil. So Manaha Bandhu. Bandh is a dhatu, lit, prathama purusha, ekavachanam. So Arjunaha Manaha Babanda. Okay, is it clear? So Tatra Tayasaha Samvatsaratrayam Viharan. Here again Viharans Tasyam, you have this Satta Sandhi. Babruvahana Namanam Putram Utpadayamasa Tane Anugnyapya Anu Nya Lyap Samudre Snasyanne, you have it's in Shatru Pratyam. Snasyanne, again you have this Sattvasandhi, Snasyans Tatra. Munishapena, Munehe Shapaha Tena, Grahatam Gataha. So Grahasya Bhavaha Grahata, Grahatam Gataha, Pancha Apsarasaha. Apsarasaha is an object, karma, and it is Sakaranta Strilinga, Nitya Bahuvachana word, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. Mochayanne, after releasing them, Muchi Mochane, Shatru Nichi, Arjunaha Mochayanne, Kramena, gradually, Prabhasa Tirtham Prapya, after reaching that Prabhasa Tirtham, Tatra Sangatena, Sam, and Sam is the Upasargam, Gam is the Dhatu, and Tena Gatena, Sangatena, Krishnena Saha, Raivatagirim, Praptaha Arjunaha, Tasya Krishnasya Bhaginyam, Subhadrayam, Manaha Bhavanta. Okay. Next. Saha api Swasuhu Udvaha Kala Praptim Ubayoho Anurupyam cha Pashyan Antaraya Bhutam Jeshtam Vanchayitum Parthasya Yatitvam Kalpayitva Swayam Udasina Eva Asta. See, before going to this line, I just wanted to tell you this story about this 5 apsaras. So there were 5 apsaras by name: Varga, Saurabeyi, Samichi, Udbuda, and Lata. These are the 5 apsaras. They were the they got the shapam of one such sage. So They were living in 5 Tirthams called the Agastya Tirtham, Saubhadra Tirtham, Pauloma Tirtham, Karandama Tirtham, and Bharadwaja Tirtham. So all the same, when Arjuna visited that place, he saw that none of the rishis or muni, they were not taking a plunge, they were not taking bath in these 5 lakes or 5 rivers, Tirthasthane. Then Arjuna asked them, what was the reason for avoiding these Panchatirtha? Then those sages, they reply that there are 5 crocodiles in those Tirtha. That is the reason we avoid those 5 places. Then, when Arjuna took a plunge, the first crocodile, that is the first Apsara by name Varga, she came up and she got the form of she regained her original form, and she narrated the whole story to Arjuna, and she also requested Arjuna to relieve or release all her friends. So the Pancha Apsaras were Varga, Saurabeyi, Samichi, Budpada, and Lata. Okay, I thought I'll just tell this story. Then, Saha api, Saha Krishnaha api, Swasuhu Udvaha Kala Praptim, Ubayoho Anurupyam cha Pashyanne, Antaraya Bhutam, Jeshtam, Vanchayitum, Parthasya, Yatitvam Kalpayitva, Swayam Udasinah, Iva Asta. Uttana Swabhavaha Ramastu, Tatra Tatra Charantam Tam Kapata Sanyasinam, Swagriham Aniya, Pujayanne, Shraddalutaya, Tatraiva, Kanchit Kalam Vasayamasa. So now the context is Arjuna met Ulupi, got a son through her, then Chitrangada, he got Babruvahana, then he released these Pancha Apsaras from their Shapam. Now he meets Krishna in the Prabhasa Tirtham. Along with Krishna, both Krishna and Arjuna, they go to the Raivatagiri, where Arjuna meets the sister of Krishna, that is Subhadra, and he falls in love with Subhadra. He had a liking. So here, Saha api, Krishna too. So Arjuna had a liking for Subhadra. Similarly, Krishna too, considering that it is the suitable time of marriage for his sister, and he saw some compatibility or some suitability of both Arjuna and Subhadra to each other. So Krishna made Arjuna to come on the guise of an ascetic in order to make Balarama believe, that is his elder brother Balarama, who was standing like a stumbling block, and he was objecting. He will not be ready to give Subhadra's hand to Arjuna, because Balarama wanted Duryodhana to marry Subhadra, not Arjuna. So Krishna thought that this one Balarama, his brother, will be a stumbling block. He'll be a great hindrance. Antaraya Bhutam Jeshtam. So what he did was, he asked Arjuna to come in the guise of a Brahmin. Okay, come in the guise of a ascetic. And he cheated his brother, and he stayed Udasinaha, is what to say, very negligent. He was very indifferent. Krishna was very indifferent. So Balarama, who was very frank and noble natured, seeing the disguised Brahmin roaming here and there, he brought him home and offered respects, and out of Shraddha or blind faith or trust, he made him live in his house for some time. So this is the meaning of this paragraph. Saha api. Saha here qualifies Krishna. Saha api. Saha Krishnaha api. Swasuhu is sister. Swasuhu Udvaha Kala Praptim. Udvaham is marriage. Vivaha ityartaha. Udvahasya Kalaha Tasya Praptihi Tam Udvaha Kala Praptim. See, understanding Krishna also considering that it is a suitable time to get Subhadra married to somebody. So Swasuhu, sisters, Udvaha Kala Praptim. First reason is, it is the right time for Subhadra to get married. Second reason is, Ubayoho Anurupyam. Ubayaha is both Arjuna and Subhadra. Anurupyam is suitability or compatibility. So Anurupasya Bhavaha Anurupyam cha Pashyan. So looking at the point, So he looked at 2 points. What were they? One is Arjuna already has a liking for Subhadra. That is one point. Another thing is, it is the right time for the sister to get married. Number two is, he could see some compatibility or some suitability that existed between Arjuna and Subhadra. Anurupyam cha pashyan. Looking at some compatibility between them, then he thought, who will be the hindrance for this? Antaraya bhutam jeshtam vanchayitum. Vanchayitum is to cheat. To cheat his brother. Why? What is the adjective given for jeshtam? Jeshtam is elder. Antaraya bhutam. Antarayaha ityukte vignam ityartha. Antarayena bhutam antaraya bhutam. Who remained as a hindrance. As a vigna bhutaha. Vigna rupena saha asit. Antaraya bhutam jeshtam Balaramam vanchayitum, to cheat him, Parthasya yatitvam kalpayitva. So he made Partha or Arjuna to take the form of an yati. Yatihi is ascetic. Yatehe bhavaha yatitvam. Yatitvam kalpayitva. Parthasya yatitvam kalpayitva. So he changed Arjuna as an ascetic to an ascetic form. Swayam is Krishna himself, stayed away from it. Udasinaha asit. He was very reluctant or stayed very indifferent. He remained calm. He was not showing any, he was not expressing anything. Swayam udasinaha iva asta. He stayed. Then what happened to this Balarama? Uttana Swabhavaha is one who is very noble natured. Swabhavam is nature. Uttanaha is noble. So Uttanaha Swabhavaha yasya saha. One who was very noble natured. It goes as an adjective for Ramaha. Ramaha is here Balaramaha. What is the adjective? The noble natured Balarama. Tatra charantam tam kapata sanyasinam swagriham aniya Pujayan Shraddalutaya Tatraiva Kanchit Kalam Vasaya Masa. So this Balarama, he saw this Arjuna. How Arjuna was looking? He was Kapata Sannyasi. Kapata Sannyasi ityukte Kapata Rupaha Sannyasi. He was not a real sannyasi, disguised as ascetic. So Tatra Charantam. Charantam is moving around. Tam Kapata Sannyasinam. So this Charantam and Kapata Sannyasitam, this Charantam and Tam goes as an adjective for Kapata Sannyasi. Kapata Sannyasi is Arjunaha. Tatra Charantam Tam Kapata Sannyasinam. So this Kapata Sannyasi, the person who has taken the form of an ascetic, that is Arjuna, was moving here and there. So this Balarama, who was noble by nature, was very frank also. Uttana Swabhavaha Ramaha Tatra Charantam Tam Kapata Sanyasinam. What did he do to Arjuna? Swagriham Aniya. So it's Swasya Griham Swagriham. So he brought that Kapata Sanyasi, that is Arjuna, to his own house. Who? Balarama. Griham Aniya. After bringing that Kapata Sanyasi to his house, Pujayan, he also worshipped. Shastranusarena Pujayanne Shraddhalutaya. Shraddhaluhu is with faith. Shraddaluhu, all Shraddhaluta, Shraddaloho Bhavaha. It should be Shraddhalutaya. With faith or with trust, due to trust. Tatraiva Tasya Grihe Eva Kanchit Kalam, for some time, Vasayamasa. So Balarama made Arjuna reside in his own place. Okay. Now, Saha here qualifies Krishna. Saha api, that Krishna too. Swasuhu is sister. It is Swasr Shabdam Rikarantam Strilingam. It is in Shashti Vibhakti. Swasuhu Udvaha Kala Praptim. Udvaha is Vivaha, marriage. Kala Praptihi is arrival of time. So Kalasya Praptihi, Kala Praptihi. So Udvahasya Kalaha, Udvaha Kalaha, Tasya Praptihi, the time of marriage and the arrival of the time of marriage. Ubayoho is Ubha is Akaranta and Nitya Dvivachanam. Ubayoho Anurupyam is suitability or compatibility. Looking at the Anurupasya bhavaha anurupyam. Looking at the suitability between ubayoho, Arjuna, Subhadrayoho. Cha Pashyan, looking at it, Drishya Shatru Pratyam, Pashyan qualifies Krishnaha. Saha Krishnaha Pashyan. Kim apashyate Krishnaha swasuhu udvaha kala praptim ubayoho anurupyam cha Pashyan Krishnaha Jeshtam Vanchayitum. So he wanted to cheat the Jeshtam. What is the adjective for Jeshtam? Antaraya Bhutam Jeshtam. So what is Antarayaha? Antarayaha ityukte Vignaha ityartaha. Antarayena Bhutam, Antaraya Bhutam Jeshtam. It qualifies the eldest brother. Antaraya Bhutam Jeshtam Vanchayitum. Vanchayitum is, vanch is the dhatu. Tumanantam, to cheat. What did he do? What did Krishna do? Parthasya yatitvam kalpayitva. So he kalpayitva, he made him look like a yati bhavam. He made Partha to take a yati roopam. So yatehe bhavaha yatitvam. Yatitvam, Parthasya yatitvam kalpayitva. Kalpayitva, we saw it in last class also. Krip avakalkane, and it is twa pratyantam. Kripo ro laha. By that sutra, for the krip, you get the, for the rakara, you get the lakara, for by which we get the form kalpayitva. Swayam udasinaha iva asta. Udasinaha, he was very indifferent or reluctant. Ud as, and it is in Shanach Pratyam. Eva asta. Asta here is asu upaveshane. Lang Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. So it qualifies Saha. Saha Asta. Saha Krishnaha Asta. Saha Krishnaha Udasinaha Asta. Saha Krishnaha Swasuhu Udaha Udvaha Kala Praptim Upayoho Anurupyam cha Pashyan Krishnaha Udasinaha Asta. Antaraya Bhutam Jeshtam Vanchayitum Parthasya Yatitvam Kalpayitva Saha Krishnaha Swayam Udasinaha Eva Asta. So here, then Uttana Swabhavaha Ramastu. Uttanaha Swabhavaha Yasya Saha. You have this, it is called being very noble natured. Okay, so Uttana Swabhavaha goes as an adjective for Ramaha. Yeah, it goes as an adjective for Agambiraha ityartaha. Uttana Swabhavaha ityukte. Ramastu, Balaramastu, Tatra Tatra. Here and there, Charantam tam kapata sanyasinam. Charantam is, char is the dhatu, shatru pratyam, dvitiya vibhakti, ekavachanam. It qualifies tam and kapata sanyasinam. Kapata rupaha sanyasihi, sanyasi, kapata tam, kapata rupas, kapata sanyasinam. You can say it as madhyama pada lopi. And swagriham aniya, swasya griham swagriham, aniya is a ni lyap. After bringing him home, pujayanne. Puj, Shatru Pratyam. Again, it qualifies Balaramaha. Shraddhalutaya. Shraddhaluhu is Ukaranta Strilinga. With a great faith or trust, Tatraiva, Tasya Grihe Eva. You have Vriddhi Sandhi. Kanchit Kalam, for some time. Vasaya Masa. Vas Nivase. You have Vasatino. This is a lit, niche. So he made Arjuna reside in his house. So Sahapi. Swasuhu udvaha kalam kala praptim ubayoho anurupyam cha pashyanne. So here saha plus api, you have visargasya utvam, then gunam, then purva rupam. Swasuhu udvaham, you have visargasya repaha. Praptim ubayoho visargasya repaha. Pashyanne antaraya bhutam, you have this namudagama sandhi. Jeshtam vanchayitam parthasya yatitvam kalpayitva swayam udasina eva asta. You have this savarna dirgam. Uttana swabhavaha ramastu visargasya sakaraha tatra tatra charantam kapata sanyasinam swagriham maniya pujainne shraddhalutaya tatra eva. You have this vriddhi kanchit kalam vasaya masa. Then what happened? Tatha vasanne parthaha Tirthayatrachalena Bhagavata Sarveshu Apavahiteshu Subhadramadaya Swapuram Achagama Paschate Vidita Vrittantena Krishnanu Nitya Vinita Krodhena Baladevena Pari Barha Preshanena Tayoho Vadu Vara Bhavaha Anumene Subhadrayam Abhimanyuhu Nama Putraha Jagne. So what happened is, so Balrama made Arjuna stay in his house only, house itself, while Arjuna was living in Balrama's house. uh, Krishna worked out a plan. What did he do? He sent all the people out by under the pretext of pilgrimage. So Bhagavata Krishnena Tirthayatra Chalena Sarveshu Apavahiteshu Satsu. When all the people were made to leave that city, that place, what did Arjuna do? Arjuna took Subhadra and went to his city. Okay. When Balarama came to know the news, Paschat Vidita Vrittantena Baladevena, when Baladeva is Balarama, when he came to know about the news about Arjuna taking Subhadra, he was extremely angry. And later on, what happened? His anger was pacified by Krishna's persuasion, and he approved of their match by sending his presents on Subhadra. Through Subhadra was born the son Abhimanyu, by name Abhimanyu. So this is the meaning of this line. Tatha. In the same way, Tatha Vasanne. So Tatha Vasanne is while Arjuna was living thus in the place of Balarama. Vasanne Saha Partha. So this Vasanne qualifies Partha. Tirthayatra Chalena. Chalaha ityukte Vyajaha ityartha. On the pretext, on the nimittena. So Tirthayatra Chalena. So Tirthayatra Vyajena. Creating on the pretext of a Tirthayatra, pilgrimage, Bhagavata Sarveshu Apavahiteshu. Bhagavata is Bhagavan Krishna. Bhagavata Krishnena Sarveshu Lokeshu Apavahiteshu Satsu. When all were cleared, Apavahitam is Apa, Vah is the Dhatu, Ikta Pratyam, it is in Nich and Saptami. So Sarveshu Janeshu Lokeshu Bhagavata Apavahiteshu Satsu. When all the people were cleared or moved out of the city, out of the town, on the pretext of Tirthayatra, that is pilgrimage, Subhadram Adaya, what did he do? Sahapartaha, Subhadram Adaya, taking Subhadra, Swapuram, Swasyapuram, Ajagama, he returned. Jagama is went, Ajagama is he returned. Okay, so Tata Vasanne, saying thus in the place of Balarama, in the house of Balarama, Saha Partha Subhadra Madaya Swapuram Ajagama. That is the main sentence. So Partha, Arjuna, Subhadra Madaya, taking Subhadra, Swapuram, his place, Ajagama, he returned. So how did he do in the presence of people? There are no people were staying in that town. What was the reason? Tirthayatra Chalena. So Bhagavan created a chalam, a vyajam. What was a vyajam? What is the pretext? He created that he made everyone go on a pilgrimage. Bhagavata Kritam Tirthayatra Chalena Bhagavata Sarveshu Apavahiteshu Satsu. All the people, Lokeshu, Sarveshu Lokeshu, Apavahiteshu Satsu. When all were cleared out of the town, Subhadra Madaya Swapuram Ajagama Sahapartaha. Then what happened? Paschat. After some time, Vidita Vrittantena Baladevena. So Viditaha Vrittantaha Yena Saha. The one who came to know what happened about the episode or the incident. Vrittantena Baladevena. So then what is the adjective? Vinita Krodena. Vinita Krodaha is Apanita Krodaha ityartha. So first he got to know that Arjuna had taken Subhadra along with him. So that is the Vrittantam Viditam Baladevena. Paschat kim abhavate? Krishna Anunitya. Anunitihi ityukte Kopa Apanayanam ityartha. Anu is the Upasargam, is the Dhatu, Ni Nayaneno, the Nayati. Tin is the Pratyam. Krishnasya Anunitya. By Krishnena Kritam Kopa Apanayanena. What happened? Vinita Krodena. So Vinitaha is Apanita Krodaha ityartaha. Vinitaha Krodaha yasya saha. Whose anger was subdued. Vinita Krodena Baladevena. So here there are two adjectives given to Baladevaha. One is Vidita Vrittantena Baladevena. Next is Vinita Krodena Baladevena. Vidita Vrittantaha is one who came to know about Arjuna taking Subhadra along with him. So that is viditaha vrittantaha yena saha vidita vrittantena tena baladevena. So immediately what happened? Baladeva was angry. Balrama was very angry towards Arjuna. Immediately who came? Bhagavan came. Krishnasya anunitya vinita krodena baladevena. By the his anger was pacified by Krishna's approach. So Krishnasya anunitihi ityukte kopa apanayanam ityartha. Krishnasya kopa apanayanena vinitaha krodaha yasya saha, whose anger vinitaha is that has gone down. Okay, whose anger has reduced, subdued. So vinitaha krodaha yasya saha tena vinita krodena baladevena. So after his anger was subdued, what did he do? Bari barha preshanena tayoho vaduvara bhavaha anumene. So what happened is he accepted them. How did he accept it? Paribarha preshanena. Paribarham ityukte a wedding present. Paribarhaha, that word itself, wedding gift we say, no? So vivahasya upaharaha. So paribarha preshanena, parhi barhasya preshanam tena. By sending a wedding gift, tayoho vaduvara bhavaha. Vaduscha varascha vaduvarau. Tayoho bhavaha vaduvara bhavaha. So he accepted them as the bridegroom and the bride. Anumene. So he agreed one by. So how did he present his agreement towards Subhadra's marriage with Arjuna is by sending a paribarham, by sending a wedding gift. Anumene. Anumene is anu is upasargam, man jnane, it is lit prathama purusha ekavachanam. Okay. So here baladevena ninita krodena baladevena paribarha preshanena saha tayoho vaduvara bhavaha anumene. You have to take it like that. Subhadrayam abhimanyuhu nama putraha jagne. Jani pradurbhave littu prathama purusha ekavachanam. Abhimanyuhu nama putraha jagne. There was a boy by name Abhimanyu was born. To whom? Subhadrayam, in Subhadra. Okay, Subhadraya. Tatha vasanne vasudatu. And in Shatru Pratyam, it qualifies Parthaha. And Tirtha Yatra Chalena, you have this Tugagama Sandhi. Yatra Chalena, Yatra Chalena, like you have this Lakshmi's Chaya and all, no? So Yatra Chalena, you have Tugagama Sandhi. Here Visargasya Sakaraha. Bhagavata Sarveshu Apavahiteshu, when all were sent out. Apa is the Upasargam, Vah is the Dhatu, Ikta Pratyayam, Nichi, and it is in Saptami Bahuvachanam. Subhadram Adaya, A is the Upasargam, Da is the Dhatu, Lyap. Swapuram Ajagama, A is the Upasargam, Gam Dhatu, it is lit. Paschat is an Avyayam. Paschat Vidita Vrittantena, you have this Jashtva Sandhi. Viditaha vrittantaha yena saha, it qualifies Baladevena. Then Krishnasya anunitihi, nitihi is in Strilingam. So anunitya, it is in Strilingam. Krishnasya anunitya, Krishnena kritam kopa apanayanena, vinita krodaha, whose anger was subdued. Vinitaha krodaha yasyataha, tena vinita krodena Baladevena. Paribarhasya preshanena, by sending the preshanam is presh lut preshanena tritiya vibhakti tayoho vaduvara bhavaha anumene. He agreed to them being the vadu and the varam. Then Subhadrayam abhimanyuhu nama putraha jagne. So in Subhadra, Arjuna got a son by name Abhimanyu. So a son by name Abhimanyu was born to Subhadra. That is the meaning. Then now we have to move to Draupadi. Draupatyantu Prativindya Sutasoma Shrutakarma Shatanika Shrutasenakyaha Panchaputraha Kramat Panchabhyo api jataha Manojavasaha te Kumaraha Parthadeva Sarvam Astravidyam Ashikshanta. So what happened? Five sons were born to Draupadi through the five brothers. They were named as Prativindya, Sutasoma, Shrutakarma, Shatanika, Shrutasena. These sons resembled their fathers, respective fathers, and learned the entire science of arms from Arjuna himself. They were all taught by Arjuna himself. So that is the meaning of this line. So Draupadyam is in Saptami. So in Draupadi, through Draupadi, Prativindyaha is the name of a son. Sutasomaha, it is another name. Shrutakarma. Then Shatanika, Shrutasenakyaha, Panchaputraha. So you have Prativindyascha, Sutasomascha, Shrutakarmanascha, Shatanikascha, Shrutasenascha. Prativindya Sutasoma Shrutakarma Shatanika Shrutasenaha iti akyaha yesham te. Prativindya Sutasoma Shrutakarma Shatanika Shrutasenakyaha Panchaputraha. Kramat is respectively Panchabhyo api. Panchabhyo is in Panchami. From all the five, from the five brothers, Jataha is Janir Pradurbhave Ikta Pratyam. So Draupadyam Putraha Jataha. I'm not repeating the name of the sons again. So Panchaputraha Draupadyam Jataha Kramat Panchabhyo api. Respectively, from Yudhishthira, Prativindya was born. From Bhima, Sutasoma. From Arjuna, Shrutakarma. From Nakula, Shatanika, and Sahadeva, Shrutasena. Then te kumaraha partha manojavasaha kumaraha parthadev sarvam astravidyam ashikshanta. So te kumaraha ashikshanta. So those boys, those children, those Rajakumaraha, the princes, they learned. So Shiksha is the Vidya Upadane. So Lang Pratama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Te ashikshanta. They all learned. What did they learn? Astra Vidyam Ashikshanta. They all learned the Astra Vidyam, the art of arms or the archery. From whom? Partha Deva, from Partha himself. Sarvam qualifies as Astra Vidyam. As Vidya is a Strilinga, Sarva Sarve Sarvaha, Sarvam Astra Vidyam, Te Kumaraha, Partha Deva Ashikshanta. What is the another adjective given to them? Is Manojavasaha. This Manojavasaha is a Sakaranta word. It means Pitru Sannibaha ityartha. See, there is another word called Manojavam. Manojavam ityukte, Javaha ityukte Vegaha. Manasaha Javaha Iva Javaha Yasya Manojavam Mardatulya Vegam. We know that shloka, no? Here, if you check the dictionary, Shabdakalpatruma, Manojavasaha means Tatatulyaha ityartha. They all resembled their respective fathers. So, Prativindya had taken all the good nature or the good qualities of Yudhishthira, and the next Sutasoma has imbibed all the qualities from Bhima, his father. And next, if you take Shrutakarma, probably a duplicate of, a replica of Arjuna. Then Shatanika and Shrutasena adapted the qualities of Nakula and Sahadeva. So Manojavasaha ityukte Pitru Sannibaha Tata Tulyaha Pitayam Pitayam iti davati. A son resembling his father means Manojavasaha. Okay, so Manojavasaha qualifies te kumaraha Parthat sarvam astra vidyam ashikshanta. It's clear. So Draupadyam is in Saptami, and this word, this five qualifies Panchaputraha, Kramat Panchabhyo api, from five of the Pandavas, Jataha, Utpattim Praptaha. Janir Pradurbhave. Then Manojavasaha qualifies Te and Kumaraha. Partha Deva, you have just Sandhi. From Partha, from Arjuna only. Sarvam Astra Vidyam Ashikshanta. So they got the knowledge, or they learnt everything from Arjuna himself. Then, so now Panchapandavanam Putranam Utpattihi Avi Uktam Lakshmana Suri Kavina. Next is Atha Nidaga Samaye Stribihi Saha Yamuna Tire Viharantau Krishnarjunau Babrukeshaha Hiranyavarnaha Kaschid Brahmanaha Upetya Kshudito Asmi Mama Abishtam Annam Dadatu Iti Yayache. So afterwards, what happened? So all these Arjuna went for exile. After that, he married Subhadra, he got Abhimanyu, and through Draupadi, these Panchapandavas were blessed with 5 sons with great valor. Now, now Krishna and Arjuna were sporting around the Yamuna Tiram, in the banks of Yamuna. Atha, then afterwards, when Krishna and Arjuna were sporting on the banks of the Yamuna in the company of ladies in the summer season, a certain Brahmin, he was in the golden color, Hiranya Varnaha Saha, and who has a brown color hair, approached them and begged of them, I am hungry, give me food that would satisfy me. Somebody came. So when Krishna and Arjuna were roaming in the banks of the river Yamuna, they both met a person whose form was like a golden color, golden varna, Hiranya Varnaha, and Kashchit Brahmanaha, he was a Brahmin, Babrukeshaha, who had a brown hair. Okay, Upetya, he came and approached Krishna and Arjuna. What did he say? That Brahmana, Aham Kshuditaha Asmi, I'm extremely hungry. Give me some food that would satisfy me. So, atha, then, afterwards, Nidaga Samayam. Nidagam is Grishma Samayam. Nidagasya Samayaha, Tasmin Nidaga Samaye. Stribihi Saha Yamuna Tire Viharantau Krishnarjunau. So, this Krishnaha, Arjunascha, Krishnarjunau. Viharantau Krishnarjunau. Yamuna Tire Viharantau Krishnarjunau. See, this Krishna and Arjuna were sporting around the banks of the river Yamuna. Yamunayaha Tiram Tasmin Tire, with whom Stribihi Saha, along with other ladies. When they were Viharantau Krishnarjunau, Babrukeshaha Krishnarjunau, see here Krishnarjuna comes as an object. So Hiranyavarnaha Kashchit Brahmanaha Viharantau Krishnarjunau Upetya Avadat Yayache. Okay. So Nidaga Samaye, during the summer season, Stribihi Saha, along with the ladies, Viharantau Krishna Yamuna Tire Viharantau Krishnarjunau Kashchit Brahmanaha Upetya, a Brahmin Upetya came near. Upa is the Upasarga in Gato and Lyap. What is the adjective for this Kashchit Brahmanaha? Babrukeshaha, Hiranyavarnaha. Babrukeshaha is one who has a brown color hair, and Hiranyavarnaha is whose form is like Akaram is of a Hiranyavarnaha, gold color. He was Jajwalyam. He was very bright and wonderful like a gold. He was shining like a gold. Hiranya Varnaha Kashchit Brahmanaha Babrukeshaha. And his hair was in brown color. Babruhu Keshaha Yasya Saha Brahmanaha. And Hiranyam Iva Varnaha Yasya Saha Hiranya Varnaha Brahmanaha Kashchit Brahmanaha Yamuna Tire Viharantau Krishnarjuna Upetya, approaching these two. What did he say? Aham Kshuditaha Asmi. I am extremely hungry. Okay. Mama Abhishtam Annam Dadatu. So give me whatever Abhishtam is Ishtam. Abhipsitam Annam Dadatu. Iti Yayache. He begged. So somebody came and asked these two. So Nidagasya Samayaha, Nidaga Samayaha, Tasmin Nidaga Samaye, Stribihi Saha, Yamunayaha Tiram, Tasmin Yamuna Tire, Viharantau, V is the Upasarga, Hri is a Dhatu, Shatru, Dvitiya, Dvivachanam, it qualifies Krishnarjunau, Krishnascha, Arjunascha, Krishnarjunau, Babrukeshaha, Babruhu, Keshaha, Yasya Saha, it qualifies Kaschit Brahmanaha. Okay, Hiranyavarnaha, Hiranyamiva Varnaha, Yasya Saha, Hiranyavarnaha, Upetya, Upa is the Upasarga, in Gatau, and it is in Lyap, Kshuditaha Asmi, Asudatu, Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam, Kshuditaha is in Kshuddhatu, Ikta Pratyayam, Mama Abhishtam Annam Dadatu. So let you give, Dadatu here is in Lote. Okay, so Mama Abhishtam Annam Dadatu. Whatever is Abhishtam is Abhipsitam Ityartaha. Whatever be the desired food for me, give that. You must give. Idi Yayacha. So he asked. Yayacha is Yacha Pratama Purusha Ekavachana. Okay, so Ata Nidaga Samaye, Stribihi Saha Yamuna Tire, Viharantau, Krishnarjuna, Babrukeshaha, Hiranyavarnaha, Kaschit Brahmanaha Upetya, Kshudito Asmi, Mama Abhishtam Annam Dadatu, Iti Yayache. Kahatam Kidrisham Va Annam, Tava Abhishtam Iti Prishtaha. This we will do it in the next class. With this, we'll stop. Okay? Yes. Pruchantu, sir. Yeah.
Couple of quick questions, madam. Snasyan is lit. Why is using lit? Shatru.
See, Isya, it takes the form, no? It is like Shatru in future, we say. Snasyan.
No, I know that. No, but why is he using that? No, why is he using lit Shatru?
There, that context you're asking, Snasyan.
Snan ityukte tadapi uchitam asti.
Shna shoche, Snasyan is in Shatru. So after this, he was taking bath in the okay.
So it will be like when he would be taking bath.
Like that only we have to take. It is not exactly in future, because that as it happens now only. So,
so peculiar usage, yeah, madam.
Yeah.
Then I would have used snan. That is normal Shatru. Okay. And another thing, madam, this babru word is used a few times. Babru vahanaha, babru keshaha. Babru in the Vishnu Sahasranamtala, babru is one paryayam for Vishnu, I think, right?
Vishnu. I'll check and tell you, sir. I didn't check the word. Generally, I don't do it for the proper noun. Very rarely I do. So babru vahanaha, I check the Vitpati and let you know.
Okay. And finally, madam, shulkaha iti stridhanam ityapi arthaha asti iti chintayami. Shulkaha.
Shulkaha stridhanam.
Stridhanam. That is, those days they used to give money to the father of the bride to get marriage.
Okay. Varadakshina iti.
Varadakshina. No. Varadakshina is towards the vara, right? Here it is towards the vadhu.
Okay. Vadhu
dakshina.
Okay, Vadhu dakshina. But that is a story behind that. There was one, the whole entire race was blessed only with one son. Only if you read the original, we know only why the word pratyarpana shulkaena upayame. Then only we'll know. On the condition of marriage was to give a son to Chitrangada. So that is
okay.
Yeah.
Yes, madam. Thank you.
Mahalakshmi Narayanan Mahodaya, please. Pruchantu. Mahalakshmi Narayanan Mahodaya, vadantu.
Madam, அது மியூட் எனக்கு அன்மியூட் எப்படி பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல.
அதனால I only have to unmute. I forgot to do that. Sorry.
சரி. அப்ப இது ஷத்தானிக்கன்னு சொல்றோமே, அந்த ஷத்தானிக்க அபிமன்யோட பிரபௌத்திர அது வேற தானே?
மேடம், நீங்க ரொம்ப புராண கதை கேட்டேன்னா I just whatever the context I come in Lakshmana's
இல்ல உதயன சரித்தம் இருக்கு இல்லையா மேடம்? உதயன சரித்தம் லெசன்ல நம்ம என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கோம்? அபிமன்யோட பிரபௌத்திர அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம் ஷத்தானிக்க.
ப்ராபபிலி இதே பேர் அவனுக்கு வச்சிருப்பானோ
தாத்தா பாட்டி பேர் வைக்கிற மாதிரி
அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது இருக்கும். அதான்
நான் அன்னில இருந்து யோசனை பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். சரி, எனக்கு புரியல. அப்ப இந்த இடம் வரைச்சே மேடம் உங்கள்கிட்ட கேட்கலாம் அப்படின்னா.
சரி, ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே. கன்யா சுல்கம்ங்கிறது கன்யாயாக லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் வி சா இல்லையா? கன்யா சுல்கம் in return of doing something to take the kanya, that is kanya shulkam, achieving something. So meaning of nishevamana is pursuing. Ni is the upasargam, save is the dhatu, and it is in shanach. Yeah, that's it. Any more questions? Shall we end the session? P.S. Krishnan Mahodaya, Pruchantu. You only asked that question, right?
Nishevamanaha arthaha kamal.
Pursuing, I said, no?
Pursue, okay.
Yeah. Ni is the upasargam and save is the dhatu there, shanach. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Namaste.